So in this class we will see the examples depend on the linear differential equation. Already in the last class I have seen what is linear differential equation, and if linear differential equation is given, then how to find the solution of that linear differential equation. Okay, so using that methods we solve the examples. So here we have our next example is solve dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal to cos x. Now it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, so first from this, using this equation, first rewrite this equation in the form of py. So we can write cot x into y is equal to cos x. So it is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So from this we can write the value of pi q. So here we have p is equal to cot x and q is equal to cos x. Okay, we have p and we have q. So what is our next step? We have to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is given by e to the power of integration of p dx, right? So this is equal to, substitute the value, e to the power of integration of, what is the value of p we have, cot x dx. Okay, so this is equal to e to the power of integration of cot x dx is given by, integration of cot x is given by log of sin x. Integration of cot x is given by log of sin x. Okay, log of sin x. Okay, and I think in the last class only I have explained some formulae, that is e to the power of, if you are having e to the power of log function like that, if you are having e to the power of log t, then we have to write only t. Okay, so here we have, it is e to the power of log sin x, because integration of cot x is log sin x. So it is in the form of e to the power of log t. So we can write this is nothing but sin x only. Using this property, e to the power of log t is equal to t. So e to the power of log sin x is equal to sin x. So this is the integrating factor. Now we have the integrating factor, so write down the solution. Therefore, the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor with respect to x plus c. Please remember this formula. Okay, now substitute the value. So y into integrating factor is sin x. This is equal to, value of q is cos x. Cos x integrating factor is sin x dx plus c. Okay, so here we have, it is cos x into sin x dx plus c. Okay, so try to write this is in the form of, okay, first multiply and divide this equation by 2. So we will get 1 by 2 into 2 sin x cos x dx plus, okay, because again 2 to get cancelled we get the same term, right? So take 1 by 2 outside. Take 1 by 2 outside. Okay, 1 by 2 outside. Then we remains with integration of 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. In trigonometry, sin 2x can be expanded as 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so here we have 2 sin x cos x, so it is nothing but sin 2x. Now we can integrate easily. So 1 by 2 into, what is the integration of sin 2x? It is nothing but minus cos 2x divided by 2. Because integration of sin x is minus cos x, right? So here we have sin 2x. So minus cos 2x divided by 2. In the differentiation we multiply this constant. But in the integration we have to divide that constant. Plus c. So this is y into sin x is equal to minus cos 2x divided by 4 plus c, which is the required solution of this given differential equation. Okay, see, these linear differential equation are very easy. Only you have to know the integration. First find the integrating factor, use this property. Next, remember this formula. Integration solution of this differential equation is given by y into integrating factor, which is equal to q into integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, next solve x into log x x into log x dy by dx, x into log x dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 log x, is equal to 2 log x. Now in this equation, see, we want it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, so for that, what is the first step? We have to make the coefficient of dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay, so divide this x into log x. Okay, divide this equation by x into log x, because we want the coefficient of dy by dx is equal to 1. So divide x into log x on both sides. On both sides. So you will get dy by dx plus y divided by x into log x is equal to 2 log x divided by x into log x. So here log x get cancelled. So we can write this is nothing but dy by dx plus y divided by x into log x is equal to 2 divided by x. Now it is in the standard form. Okay, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, so for that, first make the coefficient of dy by dx should be equal to 1. So divide this equation by x into log x. Now write down the value of p and q. So here we have p is equal to what? Coefficient of y. So what is the coefficient of y? 1 divided by x into log x. Coefficient of y is 1 divided by x into log x, and the value of q is equal to 2 divided by x. Okay. Now find the integrating factor. So e to the power of integration of t dx. So e to the power of integration of, what is the value of p? We have 1 upon x into log x dx. Okay. So write down this is equal to e to the power of integration of 1 upon x whole divided by log x. See, here we have 1 upon x log x, right? We can write this as nothing but 1 upon x divided by log x. Okay, these and these are same, because see, what here we have 1 upon x, here we have log x upon 1. If you take this in the numerator, you will get what? 1 upon x into log x upon 1 with nothing but 1 upon again log x. So again you will get 1 upon x into log x. Okay, so write down 1 upon x into log x as 1 upon x whole divided by log x, because we get easy to integrate. See, it is in the form of, see, because differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So it is in the form of integration of f dash of x divided by f of x. Okay, so we can write integration of, integration of f dash of x divided by f of x is nothing but log of f of x. So integration of 1 upon x divided by log x is log of log x. F dash of x divided by f of x, right? And integration is log of f of x. Okay, so log of, here f of x is again log x, so log of log x. Okay, log of log x. Now again use the property, if it is in the form of e to the power of log t. So e to the power of log t nothing but t only. So here we can write this is nothing but log x only. Okay, see, e to the power of log t. Okay, so our value is t itself. So here we have in case of t log x. Now write down the solution. So y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor with respect to x plus c. Okay, substitute the value. Y into log x is equal to, what is the value of q? We have 2 upon x. 2 upon x into log x dx plus c. Take 2 outside, so remains with 1 upon x log x dx plus c. Okay, now we have to integrate this. So use the substitution method here. Substitute log x is equal to t. Substitute log x is equal to t. If you differentiate this, you will get 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so keep as it is, because here if you substitute log x is equal to t, so we remain with 1 upon x dx. So value of 1 upon x dx is nothing but dt. So it will get easy to integrate. Okay, so substitute that values. So we have This is the required solution of this given differential equation. Okay. In this linear differential equation, many times we have to use the substitution method. See, depend on this. See, here you have 1 upon x. So here only analyze that. If you differentiate log x, you will get 1 upon x dx. So substitute the log x is equal to t. Differentiate that, you will get 1 upon x dx value again dt. So it is easy to integrate. Okay. So in this integration only analyze that and try to substitute the value. Okay. So we have next is dy by dx. See, there are many examples. We will solve some important examples and I will give the remaining for PDF. Okay. Please go through that examples. Solve dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power of minus x. Okay. So here the value of p is equal to coefficient of y. So it is 1 only. And value of q is equal to e to the power of minus x. Okay. So this is very easy. They ask this question for 2 marks in I don't know, but in one question paper they ask this question. So dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power of minus x. So find the integrating factor. So e to the power of integration of p dx. So e to the power of integration of 1 dx. Okay. And we know the integration of dx is x. So we get e to the power of x. So our integrating factor is e to the power of x. So write down the solution. So y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor with respect to x plus c. So y into integrating factor is e to the power of x. This is equal to integration of value of q is e to the power of minus x. Next, integrating factor, that is e to the power of plus x dx plus c. Now see, we have e to the power of minus x and e to the power of plus x. So y into e to the power of x is equal to, if you multiply these two, you will get e to the power of minus x plus x, that is 0. So e to the power of 0 value is 1. Anything to the power of 0 value is always 1. So you will get 1 into dx plus c. And integration of 1 dx plus c is x. So the solution is y into e to the power of x is equal to x plus c. Okay. So here we have e to the power of minus x, here we have e to the power of plus x. So e to the power of minus x into e to the power of plus x. So you will get e to the power of, it is nothing but e to the power of minus x plus x. But minus x plus x is 0. So the value of e to the power of 0 is 1. Okay. So you will get 1 into dx. So integration of 1 into dx is x plus c. Next, solve 1 plus x square dy by dx, 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power of tan inverse x. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power of tan inverse x. Okay. Now we want again the coefficient of dy by dx is nothing but 1, right? So divide this equation by 1 plus x square. Divide this equation by 1 plus x square. So you will get dy by dx plus y divided by 1 plus x square is equal to e to the power of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now we have it is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So here the value of p is 1 upon 1 plus x square. The value of p is 1 upon 1 plus x square and the value of q is e to the power of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. The value of q is e to the power of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. So find the integrating factor first. So e to the power of integration of p dx. This is nothing but e to the power of integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So this is equal to e to the power of integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x is tan inverse x. So this is our integrating factor. Now write down the solution. tan inverse x into e to the power of tan inverse x. So e to the power of 2 tan inverse x. Now we have to integrate again with the substitution, because see, if you substitute the value of tan inverse x is equal to t, if you differentiate you will get 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So we can substitute the value of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is nothing but dt. Okay. So substitute tan inverse x is equal to t. Okay. Differentiate this. This is 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. So substituting this equation, so we will get e to the power of 2t divided e to the power of 2t, then we remains with 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx. But the value of 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx is dt. Now it is very easy to integrate. Okay, what is the integration? You will get e to the power of 2t divided by 2. E to the power of 2t divided by 2. So finally substitute the value of t again. So your required solution is y into e to the power of tan inverse x is equal to e to the power of 2. What is the value of t? We have tan inverse x divided by 2 plus c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Next we have solve sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x dy by dx. Solve sin x into cos x dy by dx is equal to y plus sin x. This question is also they ask in one question paper for 5 marks. Okay. Solve sin x into cos x dy by dx is equal to y into sin x. Please refer the previous question paper. Now again make the coefficient of dy by dx is equal to 1. So divide this equation by sin x into cos x. So you will get dy by dx is equal to y divided by sin x into cos x plus sin x divided by sin x into cos x. Okay. See, we want it is in the form of dy by dx plus py. So take this y term on this side. So you will get dy by dx minus y divided by sin x into cos x. This is equal to sin x sin x get cancelled. So we remains with what? 1 upon cos x. So 1 upon cos x is nothing but what? Sec x. So I will write directly. Sin x get cancelled. We remains with 1 upon cos. 1 upon cos is nothing but sec. Now here, what is the value of p then? Minus 1 divided by sin x cos x. We have to take with sin also. Okay. If it is plus, then there is no problem. If you are having minus, take with minus sin only. So substitute p is equal to minus 1 upon sin x into cos x, and q is equal to sec x. Q is equal to sec x. Okay. Now find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is e to the power of take minus sign out p dx. First write down e to the power of integration of p dx. Substitute this value. So e to the power of, I will take minus sign outside, 1 upon sin x into cos x dx. Okay. 1 upon sin x into cos x dx. Okay. See here direct integration is not possible. So I will make it in the standard form. So multiply and divide this equation by cos x. So cos x divided by sin x into cos x, that is cos square x. Okay. See, multiply and divide this equation by cos x. We will get cos x divided by cos x. So sin x cos x again into cos x, we will get it is cos square x. Okay. So it is nothing but cos x divided by sin x into cos square x. Now write down 1 upon cos square x is nothing but sec square x. E to the power of minus integration of, write down 1 upon cos square x is nothing but sec square x. Then we remains with cos x upon sin x. So cos x upon sin x is nothing but cot x. So you will get sec square x into cot x. But we can get cot x in terms of tan x. So it is 1 divided by tan. So we will write here tan x. Here we will write tan x, because here you will get easy to integrate. and differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Okay, so it is in the form of f of x. Sorry, it is in the form of f dash of x divided by f of x. Okay, so for that, see, I will explain this once again. Here what we have, cos x divided by sin x into cos square x. Okay, so I will write first 1 upon cos square is nothing but sec square x. Okay, then what we remains with cos x divided by sin x. We remains with what? Cos x divided by sin x. And cos x divided by sin x is nothing but cot x. Nothing but cot x. But we can write cot x is in terms of 1 upon tan x. Because 1 upon tan x is cot x. Or here only we will say if you take this term cos x divided by sin x in the denominator, then it is nothing but sin x upon cos x. And the value of sin x upon cos x is tan x. Okay, either use that way or this way. So here the integration is, it is in the form of f dash of x divided by f of x. So we can write this is equal to e to the power of minus, integration is log of tan x. Integration is log of tan x. Okay, so see, already I have said e to the power of minus log t can be written as e to the power of log t raised to minus 1. So it is t raised to minus 1 or 1 upon t. Okay, so using this we can write e to the power of log of tan x raised to minus 1. So value is tan x raised to minus 1. Tan x raised to minus 1. So it is nothing but 1 upon tan x. 1 upon tan. It is not tan inverse x. Okay, it is not tan inverse x. It is tan x whole raised to minus 1. So it is nothing but 1 upon tan x. So this is the integrating factor. So write down the solution. So y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor with respect to x plus c. Substitute the value y into 1 upon tan x is equal to integration. What is the value of q? What is the value of q we have? It is nothing but sec x. Okay, or here only 1 upon tan x is nothing but cot x. So write down cot x. Cot x. Okay, so value of q is sec x. Sec x and integrating factor is cot x dx plus c. Cot x dx plus c. Okay, now see, we can write sec x is 1 upon cos x and cot x is cos x upon sin x. Cos x upon sin x. So cos x get cancelled. We remains with 1 upon sin, and 1 upon sin is nothing but cosec x. Now it is easy to integrate. Okay, so for that, write down sec is 1 upon cos and cot is cos upon sin. So cos get cancelled. We remains with 1 upon sin only. So 1 upon sin is nothing but cosec x. Okay, now integration of cosec x, first write down y into cot x. This is equal to integration of cosec x is given by log of cosec x minus cot x. Integration of cosec x is given by log of cosec x minus cot x plus c. So this is the required solution of this given differential equation. Okay, so already I have solved many examples. The remaining I will give for homework, or I will give the with solution. I will send the PDF for the remaining examples. Please go through that examples. If you are getting any difficulty with any integration, you can ask. Okay, so we will see next slide, that is d. See, it is in the form of dy by dx plus py. In the next class we will solve it is in the form of dx by dy plus px. Okay, so we will see that in the next